Do you know how sardines are made? Well, this is a factory that handcrafts canned sardines. Once fresh sardines arrive at a factory, they need to be canned within the day. Workers carefully need to cut off the heads and guts of the sardines with small knives. Then the cleaned sardines are marinated for half an hour. Next, sardines are placed on a metal grids and rinsed with clean water to remove the salt. When everything is ready, the workers push the sardines into a steam oven to cook them. The ingredients are processed and used on the same day. There are two flavors of canned sardines, spiced olive oil and tomato sauce. Each can of spiced sardines contains a pinch of black pepper, carrot, bay leaf, clove, and cucumber. The tomato sauce sardines have a simpler flavor. They are mixed with tomato sauce without any other ingredients. Workers pack the trimmed sardines into boxes, then add olive